Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai from Malayala and you're watching Indian lifestyle. So yeah, so just now completed my lab. So you can just check some small clip from there. Lab Viva. So we have 3 labs in our semester, out of which 1 lab exams and Viva is completed now. So another 2 is off in semester exam. So tomorrow morning I am leaving home at 4:30. So I have the train from Kazipet to Pedapalli. So that's the plan. The now main big thing is I have to pack all my luggage. So these 2 Aruns are here. Is Arun, I call him Q section Arun, and he is P section Arun. So now the plan is, so today is the last night here at NIT Warangal in this semester. So don't know what is going to happen next semester or next year. So as of now, bye bye until next time. So that's kind of like, oh yeah, I got the title. So I'll use this as a title. Out of this busy works, they are also watching our test cricket supporting India. Day 2 of test number 2, India versus New Zealand.
Right, earlier on you said you might be demotivated. It is.
Of the packing is done. So this is one bag, and here is one bag, and here is one bag. So remaining 10% I should complete early in the morning, just after waking up, and I have to fresh up. Then followed by that I will arrange everything, like I'm in shorts, I'm in blankets, bed sheet, pillow cover, towels, everything. Tomorrow morning I will do that. So that's how finally packaging is done. And now the plan is, so I said right one last time in NITW, of course we'll come back, but don't know, I'm not sure. That's how the situation is there. So we are planning to go to movie for once again. So Karthik has already left home. So we are left with these people, like, so this time like not only me and one more guy. So we are going, another 5 members are going to movie. Here is Madhu, Arun, 2 Aruns, then 2 Kalyans. So we 6 are going to movie again to Balai movie, Akanda movie. But this time not to the multiplex, this time to the nearby theatre in Kazipet, which is Bhavani. Before that our show starts at 9:15. Now the time is 7:45. So before that we need to just have dinner, then we have to go there. That's the plan. So this is our night food near NIT Warangal. Here is our Falga and ice cream center. Pani Puri center here. Here goes Momo center, BTech Momos, and there is one more Pani Puri center. And towards that area I will be showing you. We will be going. These people went to nearby fast food center. I just stopped here at BTech Momos to have the momos for the one last time. Of course, after going home, I will not be eating chicken, and I will not be having anything these kind of things till we go into North Trip. Don't know whether North Trip is going to happen or not. So that's all depending on the situation. So as of now, like, I wanted to try Kurkure Momos for one last time. So that's why I'm here at BTech Momos. Here we go, Kurkure chicken momos, fried momos with mayonnaise, and here are the momos, and here goes the sauce. So I just tried Kurkure momos for the first time, not momos for the first time, Kurkure momos. I ate many times. We can't eat regularly, so now or then it's fine. So now we are going to nearby fast food center. So all of those people are there. So we are just going there, and on the way we just crossed the Pani Puri center, and here is one tiffin center. We have some stalls here, I mean kind of shutters, shops. And here we have Country Oven Bakery and restaurant also. Yeah. So we have a Dine 9, so which is a Mandi restaurant, and Ibako ice cream, and this is bar and restaurant. Of course I shouldn't show that, but I am showing what are all the things we have around the NIT Warangal. And we are going here Balaji Tiffins and Meals. So where we will be having some fast food. Then after eating, we'll be going to movie. Everyone is here at Bala. Madhu. Done with eating food. Now we are going to movie theater. This fellow and this fellow. I asked them whether you have mask or not. They said they have. So now they are going to medical shop to buy mask. I asked them, should I give you one? What is this, Arun? What is this behavior? Please, Arun. Aruns, not Arun. Aruns. Both Aruns are like that. You go and bring. This is the theatre, Bhavani Theatre. Movie is done. Time is 12:20. Arey, how was the movie? Madhu, you are the first experience.
Jai Balaya.
Arey, mainly say about the music. In the last vlog also. In the last vlog also, I said the music is top notch. So
BGM.
Taman gave BGM like next level. Everyone liked the BGM. This Kalyan. We decided to walk till campus. So let's see how much we can do till, by walk, how much we can do that. So one last time. Tomorrow morning I have train at 5:30 and now the time is 12:30. So this is what we are doing. So from movie theatre we decided to walk till NIT Warangal campus. Now we are on the Fatima Bridge of Kazipet. So it will be like from theatre to NIT Warangal campus will be almost 1.5 kilometers. Simple, we can do it, not an issue. The only thing is I have to wake up again at 4:30. So let me see. Not an issue. This will also be kind of memory for me because don't know whether I will return to campus or not. Don't know. I'm saying hope it doesn't happen. But if it happens, these things will always be there to cherish. That's why I came out today with them, even though I already watched Akanda movie. So this is the second time. Back to campus.
Change. Dunkeraron. Ada. Dongar. Dunkera. Ay bird.
So now the time is 2 o'clock. We entered the hostel now. So at 4:30 I have to wake up again and get ready for the train which is at 5:30. So that's how we ended up our last day at NIDW in this particular semester. Let's hope this is not the last day in the campus. Let's hope nothing comes, kind of lockdown or anything. Let's hope our north trip doesn't cancel. Let's hope nothing happens and we are back to campus again in January. Time is literally 3:12, so I'm sleeping now. I just set 5 alarms. Morning guys, I just slept for 1 hour. Now the time is 10 to 5. So at any cost, in another 15 minutes I have to start moving from this particular place. In that case only I will be able to catch the train. I hope I should do that. Chalo then, meet you soon. And Arun is coming along with me. So bye bye room, bye. So finally exactly on time in the railway station. So Arun helped me. Arun, fire up. Putra, punch. Chalo then, bye. Already started from Kazipet. It will take 1.5 hours for me to reach Peddapalli. So now I have to figure out the ways how I should carry all that luggage to my home. Thing is, till now Arun has helped me till here. Don't know who is going to help me. I have to, of course, no one is going to help me. I have to figure out some ways and I have to carry all the luggage. Just got down here at Peddapalli station. Now the time is 7:10. So it will take another 30 minutes for me to reach my home from here. It will be 13 kilometers, but chances of getting vehicles from here is very less, and that too 7 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, I have to see for the possibilities. So here is one bag which I am carrying, and there are another 3 bags. Chalo, then I'll be leaving the station now. Thing is, usually the train comes in the first platform. If that comes on the first platform, I can easily go out. But now this has come in 3rd platform. I need to get onto the foot overbridge and I need to cross and get down. It's a huge task with all this luggage. Now, sometimes we need to face this. These are kind of what we can say, testing situations, of course. Chalo guys, fine then. From here I'll not be vlogging much. So hope everything goes well and we are going to North Rift. That is what I am having. Still have the same positive vibe in me. Let's hope for the best. That's it. So if you somehow like this video, make sure you hit like, share and also do comment down your best part of the video, and I will be back with one more interesting video for all of you guys. And everyone, please take care. See you then. Bye bye.